Hi everyone. In this class I'm just designing the header for now. So there is the header. I'm just going to the style.css, and for the header I have an image. I'm just gonna apply there. I'm just going to the folder. There is a folder you can see, and there are the pro images. In fact, the pro images are open too, and I'm just gonna apply this image as the header of the background. So I'm just going to the notepad, and there this is the header. Just call the header there. Okay, go inside and at the background URL, first of all the pro images slash, the mean of pro images, the just like that, the project images or whatever you can say, background header.png. the image format is png. I knew about that. I'm going and I'm just checking that one by clicking on properties to confirm that yeah, this is the png format. So I just attach this perfectly. Go back. Well, before going back, what I just need to do, I just need to create the width, and I'm just putting the width as 100 or 1000 pixels. Save and refresh. The heading to 100 pixels. Save and refresh. Yeah, here is the header. Okay, is it looking perfect? Yeah, exactly, it's looking awesome basically. So what more I'm just doing, first of all I'm just changing its width. I'm just making that 100%. Save and now refresh. Now it's 100% for now, and its width too, I'm just making it the liquid layout, the 100% again. Save and refresh for now. Now is it looking awesome? Yeah, exactly, it's looking perfect. So guys, what more I need, I just need to change its height. I'm not putting the height anymore. I'm just going back to the notepad, and here you can see that the navigation is there. I'm just creating a div first and making it the left header, and that one as the right header. The navigation is a navigation and this is the left header. I'm just going inside the left header, and what I'm just putting here, I'm just putting the h1 for now. Okay, and I'm just putting here the real estates. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see the real estates here. I'm going back and I'm just going to the style.css, and I'm just changing the color for the whole header as white. Save and go back and refresh. Now you can see that the text is white now. So what more I'm just doing, I'm just adding in an enter, or why not I just directly call this one the left header. And there, and then removing this height, the height from the header, and saving and refreshing that back. Okay, it has no height for now, but what I'm just doing, I'm just going there and I'm just putting some specific padding, and for now I'm just putting the 10 px from the top and bottom and 0 from left and right. Save and go to the browser back and refresh. Oh, it's not affecting. So I just need to go to the index.html, and this is the class. I'm just making it id, just that was the reason. Refresh. Now it got something as I just tried to give it. Well, I'm just putting here the 30 px and refresh, and I just want to increase it a little more, around 50 px, and save and refresh. Okay, now this is what I just want to make, but the real estate, the text is not looking really awesome. I just need to change a lot of things from there. So save that and refresh the real estate now. And I'm just changing the font for now. I'm just going to the style.css, and here I'm going to the left header. I'm just putting the style, the font family as Arial for now. I'll just update it with the CSS3 font style, but right now the real estate, this is looking cool. And what more is required, I'm just making two things here. I'm just going there and I'm just calling the, close that. Now I'm just calling the nav here, and what I'm just doing, this one I'm just making as float left. Okay, and navigation is not created yet, but I'm just creating it as float right, and save. And now just go to the browser and refresh and refresh. Now you can see that everything is gone just because we just put it the float left and right. So Now the left header has left the focus for the header. So after the left header and navigation, they both has the elements of floating. So after the nav, I'm applying the div, and here I'm just making another thing. I'm just going there and I'm just creating a clear fix class dot clear fix, and in the clear fix, what I'm just doing, and here I'm just putting like the clear both, save and go to the browser, and I just need to check that it's working fine or no. So I'm just going back, and here I'm just adding the class of the clear fix, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now because of the clear fix, it's looking super fine. So what more I need, I'm just going back to the notepad, and basically I'm just creating the navigation too. In the navigation, I'm just creating, you know, the UL first. Inside the UL, I'm just creating some LIs as I'm doing, and in the first one I'm just putting the home, in the second one I'm just putting the gallery, third one our work, and our services, whatever. And what more I need, I just need to go to the style.css for now, because here you know that I just created the navigation. Well, save that and refresh to see the result. This is what I just created. So first of all, I'm just going there, I'm just calling that the nav, the UL which is inside the nav, and the li which is inside the UL, and which is inside the nav and the UL. So for now, directly I'm just going directly to the nav, and I'm just putting the float left to the navigation and just going to the browser and refreshing. This is what I've created now. And what more I'm just doing, I'm just pressing enter, I'm just giving some background color to them, and the color I'm just giving to them is, I'm applying as orange. Okay, you can apply any color, whatever you want. Save and go to the browser and refresh. The orange color is there. Press enter, and then add some specific width. And what the width I'm adding around the 50px, or instead of putting the width, I'm just putting here the padding. And what I'm just putting inside the padding as a value, for the value I'm just putting as the padding, the 0px from the top and bottom for now, and the 30px for the left and right. Save and go to the browser and refresh. This is what I just did there. Okay, I'm going back to the notepad, and I'm just pressing enter, and I'm just making it the font size as little increased, 20 pixels. Save and refresh. Okay, this is what I did. Well, what I'm just doing, I'm just copying, or actually cutting this one, the font family Arial, and refreshing. Now this one is the Arial 2. Going back, and what I'm just doing here, I'm just putting the 50px there too, 50px, and saving and refreshing. Now this is a 50px, but it's not looking so fine, just because I'm just making it actually in the center of this black area, the background. But because you know that the size of this headers element, sorry, the left headers element, the h1 is too big, so what I just need to do, I'm just going back to there, and I'm just putting the 55px and saving and refreshing. Okay, the 57, save and refresh. Okay, 57 is looking super fine. What more I'm just doing, I'm just pressing enter, and I'm basically adding the margin here. I'm adding the margin of 5px and saving and refreshing. Well, this is looking too much, so what I need to do, I'm just going back, and basically only 5px from the left and right, and from the top and bottom it should be 0. Save and refresh now. Okay, this is what I just wanted to create. Well, the distance is looking too far. I'm going back, and I'm just putting here only the 2px just for checking. Refresh now. The 2px is going awesome. Well, is it looking fine? No, this is not what I just want. What I want, first of all, I'm just making it the font weight as bold. Save and refresh. Okay, now the buttons are looking more beautiful. Go back to the notepad, and there, what I'm just doing for now, I'm just basically creating the nav, ul, li, and the hover state of the li. Okay, now I'm just adding the background color here. I'm just simply cutting this one and pasting. Save and refresh now. hover the mouse, and now you will see the beautiful effect. Is it looking fine and actually great? Yes, it is. So in the next class we will create this big area. So guys, stay tuned and goodbye.